About a year and a half ago, I bought this 3D printer for my science fair project because I wanted to print my own designs. And at the time I just used Tinkercad, which is this really simple software, like a drag and drop thing, and it wasn't real designing. And when I was brainstorming ideas for my YouTube content, I thought, this is an excellent opportunity for me to learn something new and share with you guys. So in this video, I learned Fusion 360, and I basically document my process learning this software. And at the end of it, I created something that is actually useful. Now the designing, I'll warn you, it's not the best, and I'm still a beginner, but I still did something on my own, and I'm very proud of that. So I hope you guys enjoy this documentary video, whatever. Alright, so I guess I could take this time first to talk about how I go about learning a new skill. So I'm more of a courses guy, and I like to watch videos to learn rather than reading through books or some documents. I'm more of a visual person. In the case of this specific project, learning how to design for 3D, it's rather technical, but I did find this course on Udemy, which essentially teaches you how to design in 3D, specifically with the intention of printing your 3D designs. And he structures his courses by doing a series of projects, and each project it's harder and harder, and through each project you learn new skills, and I recommend you guys taking it. On Udemy it does cost a bit of money, but I took it on Skillshare, and it's free if you sign up for a free trial and you just cancel it. It's a free trial for 2 months. So I'll link the Udemy course and the Skillshare course if you guys want to go for it.
Sparky Beans. Sparky Beans.
Alright, so now that I'm finally done learning how to, come up with some basic 3D designs, I was ready to make my own stuff. And so what I decided to come up with was an iPhone stand, because right now the current thing I use is just like a stack of books, and I put something vertically to keep this phone parallel to me, so it's really janky. It takes a lot of time to set up. Alright, so here's the thing I was talking about. So I'm basically, right now I'm in my position, and if you look over here, I basically put my phone over here, right, and I get my cup to hold it vertically. So yeah, as you can see, it's really not the most elegant. I gotta take like 30 seconds to set this up. So a phone stand, would be really useful. So yeah, back to the video. And I thought, making a phone stand would be very useful. And as you guys are gonna see, I'm gonna roll a time lapse. It really doesn't look professional, but at least it kind of works. So yeah, I mean, I'm kind of proud of it. You're gonna see. So roll the clip. finally, after 14 hours of printing this thing, it's finally done. I probably should have reduced the amount of filling to reduce the print time, so probably could have reduced it to like 7 hours, but I stayed the entire day waiting for this print. I started in the morning and then it finished at night. It was crazy. But yeah, we're done and it works perfectly on any phone. And now I have my own phone stand. Let's go, baby. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. It really means a lot to me. And please let me know what you guys want to see next in this channel. Honestly, I'm just doing, what I like doing. If I feel like it, I'm gonna do it. But if you guys have some suggestions, some ideas for future YouTube videos, please leave them down below. And yeah, see you guys next time.